Hello, everyone. Welcome to Language Learning Podcast, where we explore the world of language learning. I'm your host, Melissa, and today we're diving into a topic that many aspiring polyglots encounter: language learning myths debunked. Our invited expert guest is Frankie.
Hi, everyone. It's great to be here today. I'm excited about today's topic. I think it's something we need to speak about.
Definitely. There are a lot of misconceptions out there about what it takes to learn a new language. And today, we'll tackle some of the most common myths and set the record straight. Frank, are you ready?
Absolutely. And I hope our listeners too.
So, myth number 1. You have to be young to learn a language. Many people believe that the earlier you start, the better your chances of fluency. But is that really true?
Actually, that's a myth. While it's true that children often pick up languages more easily due to their brain's plasticity, adults have unique advantages. For instance, adults can draw on their existing knowledge and experiences, which can facilitate learning.
Exactly. Studies have shown that adults can learn languages effectively at any age. It might take some time and effort, but with the right approaches, anyone can become proficient. Now, myth number 2. Immersion is the only way to succeed in language learning. While immersion can be beneficial, it's not the only route to fluency.
Right. Immersion is fantastic, but it's not practical for everyone. Many learners achieve high levels of proficiency through structured study, online courses, and conversation practice.
Plus, not everyone has the opportunity to move to a country where the target language is spoken. Online platforms and language exchange meetups can provide effective alternatives. Myth number 3. You need to practice every day to make progress. While regular practice is helpful, it's not always feasible.
Consistency is key, but it's more about quality than quantity. Even short, focused study sessions a few times a week can lead to significant improvement.
Absolutely. It's better to have meaningful, focused practice sessions rather than overwhelming yourself with daily hours that lead to burnout. Now, let's speak about myth number 4. Grammar is the most important part of language learning.
Well, while grammar is important, focusing too much on it can hinder your speaking confidence. Communication is the ultimate goal, and that often means prioritizing vocabulary and conversational skills.
Exactly. Many learners get bogged down in grammar rules and end up feeling discouraged. Language is about communication, so don't be afraid to make mistakes. And finally, myth number 5. You have to be fluent to use the language.
This is a big one. Many people wait until they feel fluent to start speaking. But using the language from the beginning is crucial for improvement.
Yes, engaging with native speakers, even at a beginner level, can boost your confidence and help you learn faster. So there you have it. Some of the most common myths about language learning debunked. Remember, everyone's language journey is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Language Learning Podcast. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. Share your own language learning experiences and myths you've encountered in the comments or on social media. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.